आता खबरो विस्तारान. पिडयेंतले सगळे गांव काडून उडोवचे आनी प्रादेशीक आराखडो 2021तल्यान पर्रा, आरपोरा आनी नागवाय गांव काडून उडोवचे म्हण मागणी कळंगूटचे आदले आमदार आग्नेल फेर्नांडीसान केल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झेल रॉड्रिगीस आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Regarding the PDA, as expected, and as I had mentioned some days back, and Sanglele's this meeting, the government has agreed to divide and rule. लोकांचो डिमांड आसलो की सगळ्यो विलेजी पीडीएसान काडच्यो म्हणून, to denotify all the villages from the PDA. Now, just to divide this agitating people, government has removed 10 villages from this. And the others are kept there. Kandulim, Kalamur, Parra, Arpora, all these villages are kept there. Now, the town planning minister some days back had said that earlier Congress MLAs were chairmen of PDAs. Yes, we were there, but the villages were not there. Only when North Goa PDA was there, only Penjim and Mapsa was there, and Taligaon. But other villages were not there. So now, this is to fool the people. लोकांच्या दोळ्यांक पानां बांदपाक, आणि they think that some of the villages will not come for the agitation. हे 10 villages काढल्या. They are hoping to dilute this agitation of the people of Goa. The Goenkas of Goa, Goenkas against PDA, they have demanded that every village be denotified from this PDA. Now, the Congress party is fully with the people because it is there in our manifesto. We have promised the people, and based on that, people have given us also the maximum number of seats. This cannot be an escape route for the government. 10 villages काढल्यो, आता तुम्ही उगी बसा म्हणून. Still some plateaus are kept, some other areas are kept in the greater Panjim PDA. Now we demand that every remaining village be removed from this PDA. Government should go by the 73rd and 74th amendment, and the regional plan, as per the demands, that should be denotified because that's a big scam. I have mentioned time and again. World scam झालेले आहा, and this is just a vehicle for the destruction of Goa, and the people of Goa are against it, and the Congress party will stand by the people of Goa to get till these villages are denotified from the PDA. So the minister or the government cannot fool the people by just removing a few of these villages. We will be there with the people on the road. They are planning a bigger agitation. The party will collaborate with them and carry forward this agitation.
Parra not to be denotified.
They are not.
No. You are demanding.
Yes. Every village we are demanding as per the wishes of people of Goa that every village which is there should be denotified. So लोकांक घुसपायता सांगून की आधी हांवूय आसलो चेअरमॅन पीडीएचो, बट तेन्ना विलेजीस नासल्यो, only towns were there. We don't mind you all keeping the towns, but get the villages out, get the ODPs out. Yes, scrap the PDS can be there for the town. We have no. Okay. So if there is a RP, there should be one plan for one Goa. You cannot do piecemeal planning.